Rishi. First of all, Marcos, thank you for having me here, and such a great pleasure to be here. Rishi, a very important question. It's at forefront right now for all the organizations, all industry, and it's been a known fact that DNB enables business quite a bit. It drives innovation, creativity, and performance. I mean, pick up any research report today. There's one published by Deloitte that talks about the companies which enjoys diverse background. It enjoys 2.3 times higher cash flow per employee. There was another research by Gartner that talked about inclusive team improves team performance up to 30% in a high diversity environment. The another one that I can quote about through BCG that talks about 19% increase in revenue compared to less diverse counterparts. So it's a known fact, researched fact that how a diverse team enables the growth of the organization and performance of the organization. And I think the reason is very, very simple. It is any individual who feels they're heard in the organization, valued, respected, or accepted for who they are, they feel belong to that organization at the end of the day. And that enables employees to contribute to their best, be their best. And if an individual is being best in the organization, they are bound to deliver best. It also sort of a known fact that happy individuals contribute more towards innovation and more towards performance. I can talk about the my current organization a little bit here. So Airbnb's mission is to belong anywhere. So it's just not one of the human capital sort of investment in diversity and belonging. It's a business agenda at the end of the day. And we all have been talking about how leaders need to sort of be at the battlefield or exhibit those behaviors. For us, it is what we live for. So to create a place where everybody can belong. Now, this is not only for employees, but for our customers, our host and guest. And we have seen this, that the more inclusive practices that we have in business also has enabled more guest and host on our platform. Some of the examples like sort of not allowing hate groups to be part of our platform, for example, right? So some of those business decisions which are inclusive in nature has improved our business outcomes. From people perspective, inclusion is, the way we've been driving inclusion is to sort of enabling everyone to be heard, which means that you need to you have a safe place to voice out your opinion, irrespective of your background level in the organization and from where you're coming. So that is one important aspect. The other, couple of initiatives that we took in terms of create more inclusive environment for people to come out and do their best is to sort of start idea platform called Empower, which directly connects to belonging. So which means that anybody has any idea, you share it, and the entire leadership team helps that person to make that idea, to bring that idea to life. Now, that also sort of position the person as a entrepreneur or as a champion of diversity and belonging. So some of these behaviors, day-to-day behaviors, day-to-day actions creates an environment of inclusion and belonging, and that ultimately promotes the growth and a happy environment for the organization. Now, to the second part of your question, in terms of what could be the issues, and especially, in India, looking at such a diverse background, I'll also go back to the point that Simon made. It's the intentionality that matters. It's not what you write on the paper and what you tell during onboarding and what you tell to your employees. It's day-to-day belonging behaviors that makes the change. So it is, it requires a lot of persistence, patience, and sustainable effort during, over a period of time. It's not a one-day game. Having a diverse team is easy. You recruit people from diverse background, but maintaining inclusion on a day-to-day basis is where your focus should be. It is about how we are creating practices, how we are creating comforting environment for people from all backgrounds. That's going to help organizations to move up the value chain in terms of D&B.
Wonderful, Bhumika. Thank you very much.